Hi guys, today we're going to talk about indices, okay? Going to start off nice and easy and then just get progressively a wee bit more difficult. So first of all, x cubed times x7, whenever it's multiplying, we just add these little index numbers. So that becomes x to the power 10. Whenever we're dividing, we simply just take them away. So y to the power 4 divided by y, well, it's essentially just y to the power 1 becomes y cubed. Alright. B to the power 4 cubed. Whenever it's in a bracket, we just multiply. So that becomes b to the power 12. 3a to the power 4 multiplied by 2a to the power 6. Well, first of all, let's look at the a's, okay? So you've got a to the power 4 multiplied by a to the power 6. Well, we know that whenever you're multiplying index numbers, you just add them. So that becomes a to the power 10. Now we'll look at the 3 and the 2, but they're just normal numbers. So 3 times 2 makes 6. C to the power 5 divided by c to the 3. We'll just look at the index numbers first, okay? So c to the 5 divided by c to the 3 is c to the power of 2. And then let's look at 8, the number 8 divided by the number 2, which is 4. So it's 4c squared. Again, let's look at the index number first. P to the power 4 squared. So whenever it's in a bracket, we multiply those. So that becomes p to the power of 8. And then we have the number 3 squared. Well, 3 times 3 is 9. Because this time we have more than one term. So let's look at the a's. A squared multiplied by a becomes a to the power 3. X multiplied by x to the power 4 becomes x to the power 5. And 5 times 2 makes 10. Our last example here, we'll do this in 2 stages, so we will. M squared times m to the power 5 makes m to the power 7. And 6 times 3 is 18. So that's 18 over 2m cubed. That's essentially just dividing. So it's just like saying 18m to the power 7 divided by 2m cubed. M to the power 7 divided by m cubed becomes m to the power 4. And the number 18 divided by the number 2 makes 6. Okay, so there's a quick recap on indices for you. Okay guys, all the best. Good luck.